Get the latest on what's going on this earnings season, meets, beats, and more in Zach's Earnings Scorecard.
We're going to talk about networking here, although maybe not in the same sense you might be thinking of. Eric Dutram, who edits our Zach Surprise Trader Service, has come across a networking company during this earnings season that looks interesting.
Yeah, we're not looking at social networks here. We're looking at Cisco, one of the big giant tech companies out there. Their heyday was probably, quite some time ago, but this company is definitely one you always want to watch in earnings season, and it kind of spreads itself out from the rest of the tech sector, so it can be a little bit of a bellwether in terms of its overall segment as well. If we look to the report here, we can see that the company has a pretty good track record when it comes to earnings season. Hasn't missed in this whole 5-year stretch. One thing to note, though, the company, it doesn't necessarily have big moves off of its report. As we can see in a couple of these reports here, we can see very flat performances out of its earnings. So this is a company that can really trend based on its outlook and guidance. One thing you definitely want to look at when you're thinking about guidance and outlook is the actual earnings estimates coming into the report. For this, we can look at this price and consensus chart right here, and we can see that the estimates have been kind of flat here, but slowly trending a bit higher. So that's a good sign, but it's not like a really fantastic one either. So, this is also a company that is so big that it doesn't really have a whole lot of growth prospects left either. And that's why it does have a D for its VGM score for growth. But one thing to note about this company is it did move out of sell territory into hold. So it is looking a little bit more promising coming into this report, but still some metrics are a little questionable, but this is probably a better choice for investors who want a value stock in the tech world. If we look to this chart right here, we can see that the company does have a promising PE of about 13.8. That compares favorably to the industry at large. It does have some other solid metrics on this front. PEG ratio just in line with the industry average. So there are several things to like from a value perspective for Cisco, and it does have a pretty good track record when it comes to beating earnings estimates. It's just what kind of growth can this company offer at this point, and right now it seems to be minimal prospects at best.
All right, do you own it?
No.
Okay, probably because of those minimal prospects we were just talking about. Always more information for you on our website, zax.com, when it comes to earnings and companies individually, sectors, and more. So check it out, get on over to the homepage, and link to it all from there. With Eric, I'm Terry Ruffalo.